Chemical kinetics, one matching type of question you see. SO2Cl2 gives rise to SO2 and Cl2. Experiment involved in kinetic measurement is, for this you can see SO2 is a gas and Cl2 is a gas. So generally we use here pressure measurement. SO2Cl2 case you are using their pressure measurement. CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O gives rise to acid and alcohol. For this we generally go with the volumetric estimation. And here you see benzene diazonium chloride converted to chlorobenzene with evolution of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is a gas with volume, so volume measurement is best for this. Volume measurement is best and correct for that. Then sucrose hydrolysis to give you glucose and fructose. Sucrose hydrolysis to give glucose and fructose. In this case, glucose is optically active, fructose is also having chiral carbons optically active. For this purpose, polarimetry. So for D option, polarimetry. For C option, volume measurement. For B option, S and A option, pressure measurement. Thank you. Chemical kinetics assignment. Matching type of questions you see. Rate of certain reaction is given as minus dC by dt is equals to K1C divided by 1 plus K2C, where C refers concentration. If C is very low, the order of the reaction is going to be, if the C is going to be that is very low, concentration is very low, the order of the reaction is going to be 1. So for this option Q. Rate is given by minus dC by dt, that is raised decrease in concentration, K1C by 1 plus K2C. If C is very high, order of the reaction is going to be 0. It is going to be 0 order reaction. Minus dC by dt, K1C by 1 plus K2C. When C is very high, the order of the reaction is going to be 0. For nth order, T half by T 3/4 is a function of, okay, it is a function of n. For first order it is a function of 1, in second order it is a function of 2, 0 order reaction it is a function of 0. So n term means it is this one. For a gaseous reaction, Na gives rise to 2B plus C. Degree of dissociation of gas A depends. Degree of dissociation always depends on n, that is this stoichiometric coefficient, and concentration of the given. So it will be R. Rate of certain reaction is given as Q here. Q means 1. Rate is given by here C is very high, then order of reaction is going to be 0. Then for nth order reaction, it is going to be depending on n. For a gaseous reaction, the degree of dissociation depends on n as well as concentration. N is the stoichiometric coefficient. Thank you. Matching type of questions, chemical kinetics. CH3CHO gives rise to CH4 plus CO. For this reaction, increase in rate when concentration of reactant is doubled. When concentration of the reactant is doubled, increase in rate will be 2 to the power of 3 by 2 times, because the order of this reaction is 3 by 2. Correct? You need to remember these kind of things, because order is given practically, not by theoretical. That means not by seeing the balanced equation and all. You cannot. Either you remember or you should know, the complete data. SO2Cl2 or 2H2O2 both are first order reactions. Both, when they are first order reactions, when you are increasing the concentration, rate also becomes 2 times, that is 2 to the power of 1 time. 2 to the power of 1 time is nothing but 2 times. So for these two it is P. For this it is Q. CH3COO C2H5 gives rise to CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. In acid medium it is 2 times. In this basic medium should be this side. In basic medium it is 2 to the power of 2 times. In basic medium, it is a second order reaction. In acid medium, it is a first order reaction. Ester hydrolysis in acid medium, first order. Ester hydrolysis in basic medium is second order. Thank you. Chemical kinetics matching questions. See, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide decomposition is first order reaction. Hydrogen peroxide decomposition is first order. K 308 by 208. K is rate constant at 308, 298. There is a difference in 10 degrees Celsius or you say 10 Kelvin. So it is called temperature coefficient, and interestingly its value will be 2 or 3. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3, 2 to 3 you can say. Arrhenius equation is log K2 by K1 is equals to EA by 2.3 R3 or T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. K is equal to A to the power of minus EA by RT. This expression is fits here. One more is D 99% of first order is exactly 10% or 10 times of certain, not percent, 10 times of T half. 10 times of T half. It is the matching for these options. Done. Thank you, lucky sir. Chemical kinetics matching questions. Very easy actually. So these will be useful for your advanced preparation. See, A option you see. It is continuously decreasing and it is very good fits for this option. Ln A on y-axis and T on x-axis when order is 1. It will be continuously decreasing. With the concentration and time if you are taking, it will be continuously decreasing and you need to take your ln, natural logarithm, or log also you can take. Then B, you see, it is constant. It is not changing with time. It is not changing with time. So order 1 and T half. T half is independent of initial concentration. So A naught and T half when you are taking, for first order it is not changing. It is constant. Then C graph you see, gradually decreasing. T half point of view, proportional to A is zero order reaction. T half is independent of A, first order reaction. T half is inversely proportional to A, second order, third order, so on. Okay, here you see T half is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means decreasing. Greater than 1 means decreasing. Greater than 1 means decreasing. Correct? And directly proportional to A is zero order. Directly proportional to A is zero order. So this is this one. And this is this one. Correct? Simple matching. Question number 2, match the following. See, T 3/4 is 3 by 2 of T half. Actually, this suits zero order kinetics. For example, in zero order kinetics, here T 3/4 is given. If T half is 50 minutes, for example, in 100 minutes the reaction will be completed. So use this kind of simple calculation for cross checking purpose. It suits to zero order reaction. T 3/4 is double of T half exactly. Okay, if you are taking 100 grams, it will turn into 50 grams in first T half. It will turn into 25 grams in second T half. So 3/4 means this much. 1 to 1 by 2, then 1 by 4 like that. So this is 3/4 change. 3/4 change is nothing but 2 T halves. So this fits for first order. Then 6.99 by K, this fits for 99%. Remember like this. T 50% is to T 99.9% will be 1:10. This kind of shortcuts you can remember. 2.303 K is 90% because 2.303 by K time is equals to log initial concentration 100, 90% is done better. That means 10 is remaining. So this is log 10, log 10 is 1, log 10 is 1 means nothing is there, 2.303 by K. So this fits here. Very simple question.